Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella Sanlucci kitchen. The results are in, and from a record number of entries, this year's 3 winners have been chosen. The third place winner was a Tuscan pork chop, dried figs, sun-dried tomatoes, finished with basil and lemon zest. Mary Edwards wins third place and $500. Mary Edwards, congratulations. The second place winner was a delicious braised onion broken down into petals and then filled with a romesco sauce flavored chicken that was out of this world. Congratulations to Chef Donna Kelly. You win second prize and $1,000. Congratulations. The Bella Sanlucci Recipe Contest grand prize winner was a Chipotle chicken and elote slider. The Mexican flavors all blending together with the elote, which is corn cut off the cob, flavored with cilantro and all of those different things that come together with the chipotle on a bun with the cheese. It was a whole greater than the sum of its parts. Congratulations to Robin Wagner. You're our grand prize winner. You're going to get a check for $2,500. For those of you who didn't win this year, there will be once a month an honorable mention prize, so keep your eyes open to the Bella Sanlucci website for the next contest, and the deadline is July 1st, 2023. Please get those recipes in. Thank you so much for sharing this creative process with me, and congratulations to our 3 winners again. Arrivederci. We'll see you soon.